Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you, and this is Tiger, by the way. I want to show you this portable countertop ice maker that this man sent to me for this video. I tried it, and I think it's really cool. Tiger, come on, behave. But I think it's really cool to have if you're hosting like your family and friends oftenly. So we have a pool outside, so people come here like oftenly, and we do have the ice maker in our fridge, but sometimes that's not enough. So having something that, number one, is portable, you can take with you outside if you need. We have this handle for easy transportation, but also that is compact and easy to use. And this thing provides almost, I want to say, 27 pounds of ice every 24 hours. So that's even more than one of those regular bags of size that you can, the ice you can get in your supermarket or something like that. So that's actually a lot. But the thing is, it's constantly making ice. So that's actually really, really good. And in every 9 minutes, or yeah, I want to say like every 9 minutes, it's gonna give you about like 9 pieces of ice. So that's actually really good for, as I was saying before, drinks and hosting friends and family and things like that, and having something that is constantly making ice. So let me actually show it to you on a close-up, and then we're gonna put it to work. So using it is super easy, and by the way, that's still my cat Tiger. It's at ASIN. Open this right here. You're gonna see that comes with a spoon for scooping the ice, so that's actually really good. Also with the instruction manuals, you're not gonna need this. This is super easy to use. And then you can remove this basket. This is where the ice is gonna be, and this is where the ice is gonna be pushed from. And right here, you have a level that you need to fill the water in. Once you fill it with water, you can add the basket in. And this right here is going to tell you if you need to add water. If the ice is full, you can actually turn that one on and off. And then you have the power, of course. And then you have the small pieces of ice and large pieces of ice. I'm going to show you both today, but let's put it to work. So you remove the tray. You don't have to, but it's going to be easier to see the max level right there. By the way, it comes with a ventilation on both sides, so make sure not to block this. And then you add the water. Super nice and easy. You see the max level there. I mean, you don't see it, but I do. And that's probably almost like 34 or 40 ounces, I want to say. So you put back this again, one more time, and then you close it, and that's it. You're done. So you can just do this. And now it's working on the large pieces, and let's come back in a few minutes. So right in the middle of the process, you're gonna see that now it's gonna pick up the water, or actually the ice, and it's gonna push it to the basket. I'm gonna show that one to you in a few seconds. That's the ice, and remember, these are the large pieces right here, but you can also select the small pieces. The small pieces are more like little cubes for those like really nice summer drinks like daiquiris or things like that. Here comes the ice, you're gonna see it. So that's it, it's in the basket now. Let me actually show that one to you. So you can see all the pieces here. And by the way, this again, one more time, are the large pieces of ice. So I'm gonna scoop it so you can see it a little bit better that way. I'm gonna drop it right here on my drink. And this is it. That's it. Super nice and easy, ready for those summer drinks and things outside in the patio. You can take it with you on the go with the handle. Remember, super easy to use. Almost 27 pounds of ice every 24 hours. Really easy to use right here, and select the small and large pieces. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.